How to delete apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete apps on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting apps on our Android phone is very simple. There are many ways to delete it depending upon the phone that you are using. You can just go ahead and long press on a certain app, then just tap the uninstall button that you will be able to find. Or you can tap the select option to select multiple applications at once only, and then just tap the uninstall button there to uninstall them. Or what you can also do is open up your Play Store, tap the profile icon, go to manage apps and devices, then go to manage, select the applications that you would like to delete over here, then just tap the delete icon here in order to delete them. This way you can delete apps on Android, and there are many ways to do so. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.